Today we're at MyMoto in Clay Cross. So this is our Derbyshire store, and we're going to get a store tour of Theresa because she's made a few changes to the layout. So come inside and have a look. This is Theresa, who is the manager of our Clay Cross shop. Lead away, Theresa. Show us what you've got. Okay, so we're going to start off with our Arai stand. Obviously we've got some new RX-7s in, which is Arai's race helmet, the RX-7V Evo. To the Quantic, it's the new 2206 sports touring helmet. Then we go on to the Concept XE, the new 2206 retro helmet from Arai. Yeah. We've had lots and lots of good feedback from this, to be fair. And then we come on to the long-awaited Tour X5. This has been, you know, coming years for the last couple of years in the pipeline, and it's eventually arrived. New colourways all in this week. We've had a couple of colourways in for the last couple of weeks, but the final colourways all came in 2 days ago. We have got someone who we sponsor, and it's Richard Vida, and he's been putting this to the test for us. So yeah, we're just waiting on some feedback on that. So far, he seems to be quite impressed, doesn't he? He's very, very happy with it so far. Yeah. But yeah, time will tell. Yeah. Obviously, when he puts it on his blog, that this is no one-day try-on. He's doing a proper long-term test on it. He is, yeah. This is my favourite corner, coffee corner. We have a brilliant community wall. So basically, these are some of our customers what come in and give us photos, and we pop them on the wall. All they do is provide us with a picture, and we frame them. We've got Freddie Oakley. We have got Freddie Oakley. One of our sponsored riders. He is a sponsored, BSB rider. Yeah. Up and coming, really, really good lad, and ever so polite. And that's what you want in this business. Nice, polite people. Polite people who appreciate everything. Exactly. So there we go. Obviously, this is our coffee area for people to sit and have a chat, as they do quite often. Then over this side, obviously we've got the AGV, starting with the adventure helmet, down to the retro, the open-faced. Then you've got your sports modulars, your tour modular. You've got your new 2206 K6 S helmets, which are still arriving. We've only got a few there, but they are still arriving with us. The K5Ss, they've just gone on sale. Can I say as well, I think that K6, the old K6 in the sale, is the best bang for buck composite helmet. It is, you're right, you're 100% right. It's cheap, but you talk about a proper lightweight composite carbon aramid shell. Yep. For that kind of price. You can't go wrong, but you know, it's each to their own. It's what fits. Yeah. If it's not the right fit for you, then it's not the helmet for you, to be fair. And you offer the whole help with fitting and making sure things are right for the customers. We do a fit on Arai, especially we do personal fit for Arai as well. But yeah, we AGV. We like to make sure that they fit before you buy, because you can't just go into a shop and say, I want that helmet, put it on, because they don't fit everyone. Yeah. They do not fit everyone. Then obviously we've got our casual Kevlar jeans, the proper riding jeans, and you know, you do feel safe in these. I mean, some of them go up to AAA. Our boots we sell, obviously we do Dainese, RST, TCX, and we do have a little bit of fly racing with the Maverick boot, just for a little bit of off-roading. What have we got down this side? What's all this? And obviously this side, we've got casual stuff like t-shirts, hoodies, soft shell jackets, and everything. These are waterproof as well. Brand new. These are all brand new in stock. The new Havoc. We've just literally put these on our Facebook page. New hoodies, Kevlar hoodies. A lot of young lads today are wanting this kind of stuff rather than wearing heavy duty motorcycle jackets. They're wanting something light for college, university, whatever. On this side we've got as lumberjack shirts, as heavy duty textile shirts, fully armoured, just basically for them people what, again, have got a retro bike or got something like a Harley and they don't want to wear heavy duty stuff. Then we come along to our one-piece suit section. We do have a fair few. We start with the S1s, just as an entry level, more casual fit suit, rather than going on to like
track tech.
You go to your track tech, which is a little bit more aggressively fit, and then obviously to your Pro Series, which is even more aggressive, and then obviously we come to airbag, and so on until you get right up to your V4.1, which is your kangaroo full on race spec suit. So
and this is the new track tech Evo 5.
It's actually, we've got it as the Evo 5. It's actually the new track tech Evo.
Yeah, I believe the number's gone off the Evo. So
they've taken the number off.
Yeah.
So on that it states it's the Evo 5, but it doesn't state it on the suit. Yeah. They've gone on from track tech Evo to 2,
it could just go on and on forever, couldn't it? So it makes sense to drop the number.
They've literally dropped the number, which does make sense, to be fair. Nice fitting suit. They've done a fair few tweaks on it, on the legs and everything else, and you know what? It is one of the better fitting suits.
Yeah. What next?
Obviously, we do a little bit of security for our bikes out there, and we do a lot of this. It's like an after sale, to be fair. People are coming in, they're buying bikes from either Kawasaki or Yamaha, and they come across and they want some decent security. So we've got a ladies section, starting with
race suits.
The race suits down to leather jackets, textile, mesh, ladies retro jackets, even down to the Kevlar denim jacket, the Sherpa. Brilliant jacket, really, really lightweight and just nice fitting. As we're going down here, we're coming to our men's waterproof textile. So basically this is your heavy duty stuff. So your Adventure X, your Commander and your Paragon 7s. Our best fitting jacket by far, Paragon 7.
It's the Swiss Army knife of jackets,
absolutely
isn't it?
Amazing jacket. And then we come into our little bit of Dainese. We've had a bit of a swizz around with this, trying to sort it out and make some extra room. We made an extra changing room over there.
Yeah.
But yeah, we do obviously a ladies section again down this side. So this is our ladies section of Dainese. We go up to the textile again with the Carve Master. We've got a little bit of sale rails down here at the moment, just trying to, give people a bargain.
To be honest, I've noticed you've got sale tickets on quite a few items anyway. So if you look around the shop, there's plenty of bargains to be had.
Well, there is. So they should be, I think, at this time of year, ready for the new season kicking off.
Yeah.
And you're wanting to get out of your older stock. Your new stock's just come in, so you need to offer your customers something.
We want to get our customers in some nice new kit as well, ready for the season.
We definitely do. So obviously this is our leather two-piece section, so obviously we're starting with S1, then we've got some sale Sabre jackets on there. We do a little bit of leather TT stuff, and we do the textile as well, and the soft shell in the front line as well, TT. Sports textiles, jackets.
New track tech jacket.
The new, very new track tech.
Yeah.
And then obviously the new track tech Evo 5 jacket and jean in leather as well. And then as we get to here, we've got Lee, who's our assistant manager over here, who covers for me when I'm not in. And then we've got Amy.
Hi, Amy.
Hello.
Who's our sales assistant as well. Well, that's the last from me.
So is that it? Thanks for watching.
I don't know what to say.
Right, say bye to.
Thanks for listening. Hope you come down and check out our bargains and come and see what we've got to offer. And basically we'll see you soon.
Cheers. Talking to me on the camera.